Alright, now you're gonna try the Natalia. Oh yeah, no worries. Who wants to start it out? Go for it.
So I don't know what you want me to do. I don't understand the direction.
Go
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that thing.
Everyone or?
Well, yeah, I mean, you include your whole group.
Okay, no toca Catherine. Ta mo toca Casey. Ya y toca.
Okay, na.
Y.
Okay, balik. And the next word will be topante. Just label it.
Okay.
Just label it, yeah.
Topante.
Topante,
The one thing, toca.
Oh no, you don't worry about the sentence. Just the one thing.
Oh, okay,
That's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
No worries.
Na, ta, ya, to one thing, imo one thing, ini one thing.
Kena. Sayo?
Na,
Kena.
ta,
Kena.
ya,
Kena.
tonti,
Kena.
imo,
Imo pantin. Kena.
Imo pantin.
Imo pantin. Kena.
imo,
It's a slang name. Imo pantin.
imo panti,
Imo pantin.
ini panti.
Kena. Patita. Okay.
Na, ta, ya, panti, imo panti, ini panti.
Kena.
Okay. Na, ta, ya, to one thing,
Kena.
imo one thing,
Kena.
mo, ini mo.
Kena.
He's a man? Yeah. Very good. I'm a woman? You're a woman? She's a woman? Okay. So the ya is neutral? The neutral? Hold that way. So it just means that the third person. Okay? Okay. Us.
The one thing.
Or one thing. Okay, well, these all have ends at the end. The ends are aspirations. Okay? Now, when we say the one thing, we'll say the one thing. The one thing. In one thing. In one thing. It's just an aspiration. Just let go a little bit of air. You're doing so. No, go ahead. Sorry. Very good. Ni masewali. Ni masewali. Masewali. Ni masewali. Ni masewali. Ni masewali. Ni masewali. Masewali. ¿Qué?
Okay.
Hey, this is my word. So I'm going to give you guys a different word. You guys need to be proud. Okay, so I don't know your name, sorry, but this is teacher. Todo.
Timisto.
Timistome.
Timistome. Stome.
We are.
Mestome.
I forgot you all. So first is us, including yourself. So it's timistome,
Timisto.
including yourself.
Timisto.
Imistome,
Timisto.
you all, not including yourself. You guys. Right? And then is listom. Okay? No toca. Mo toca. No toca is in country. Mo toca. Is that? ¿Verdad? Quiero que nomás digan de la siguiente persona. Van a seguir. No toca es in country. Mo toca.
Pues así, no toca Gloria, no toca.
With Kopali.
Kopali.
You born in Kopali?
Is it also an indigenous thing?
Yes.
Good question. Okay, ready for the next one? What do you do? Chili.
Chile.
Tomate pan semana. Se. Sánchez Cali. ¿Cuál? Timomastilla Nahuatl. Pan tomate. Cese tomate o achichi. Timomastilla Nahuatl. Ica. No. ¿Cuánta?
Every Sunday at the LA Plaza in downtown Los Angeles, a group of people learn Nahuatl. Nahuatl is an indigenous language from the central and western side of Mexico and Central America. Elizabeth Lozano started learning Nahuatl only 3 months ago.
Colonization, because a lot of people speak Spanish, but then we come to the United States because we're displaced, and so there's just multiple layers.
The Nahuatl Study Group provides learning resources for indigenous language and writings. They create a safe space for individuals who want to reconnect with their ancestral roots. Professor Eduardo Martinez grew up around Nahuatl in Mexico City.
Spanish Mexican language has a lot of words in Nahuatl. It's part of our culture. I always wanted to learn it, and finally when I did, I just wanted to have everybody learn it.
The classes are free, but donations are welcome. Martinez encourages parents to keep teaching more languages to their children.
We have a lot of some native languages. We only have maybe 60-year-old people speaking the native language. It's gonna, unfortunately, pass on with them if the young people don't want to learn it.
LA Plaza offered Nahuatl and more Latino cultural classes every Sunday, 12 to 5 p.m. Reporting for Los Angeles, I'm Andrea Peña Reyes.